Hi, this is Max from Arbitrage Hero, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can open a seller account on Amazon. There are two types of seller accounts which you can open on Amazon. First one is individual and second one is professional. I would advise you to go with professional because the difference is that with professional you can sell in more categories than individual, and also when you sell more than 30 or 40 items per month, then even financially it is better to have a professional account. It also gives you additional benefits, like you can sell in more categories, you can also fight for buy box and other benefits. If you are serious about Amazon business, which I believe you are, you should just go with professional account. The price for professional account in the UK is £30 and the price for professional account in the United States is $39.99. When you go with individual account, then for each item which you sell, you will be paying a flat fee, which is 99 cents in the United States and 75 pence in the UK. But again, if you sell more than 35 items in the UK or more than 40 items in the United States, then it does make sense to go with professional account. Some of you might think that you don't really want to subscribe because you are not sure whether you will be able to sell anything on Amazon. But the thing is that even if you don't sell anything in your first month or in the first couple of months, you can always contact Amazon seller support and ask them to refund you fees for months when you haven't sold anything. And quite often they do so. So you shouldn't be afraid that you will be paying a monthly fee. If you start selling products in your second month, you can always get in touch with Amazon seller support and ask them whether they can refund you for the first month or for your first couple of months when you didn't have any sales. And quite often they will refund you the money for those months. So let's have a look at how you can register account on Amazon. First thing, you can register your account by going to amazon.co.uk or to amazon.com. Once you are on the main Amazon website, you can scroll to the bottom and you will see a link sell on Amazon. If I go to amazon.com and scroll to the bottom, I will see the same sell on Amazon link in here. So when you click on this link, you will be taken to this page where you can start registering your Amazon account. Once you have clicked start selling on Amazon, you will be taken to this page, and here I would recommend you to create a new account because if you have been logged in to your existing Amazon account which you are using to buy products, you might be prompted with that account to log in to Amazon. But I would recommend you to register a completely new email for your Amazon business and create a separate account for your Amazon business. So once you have clicked on create Amazon account, you will have to enter basic information. Once you have entered all required information here, click next. Then you will have to verify your email account. In my case it is dummy email. Here. So once you have verified your account, you will have to select which country you want to open account in, then business type, then you will have to enter your business name and then enter all required information on the following pages. On the next page, you will be asked to enter your phone number, which they will verify straight away by sending you a text message. Then towards the last step, you will be asked to enter your credit card details, because you will have to pay for your first month subscription to be able to sell on Amazon. The process of registration is pretty straightforward. You just need to make sure that you enter valid information, because you will have to validate and verify your details. Amazon might ask you to send some documentation to verify your identity, like business registration papers or personal information. Usually this process is very smooth and you shouldn't have any issues. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me and I will help you with any issues which you might have. I hope this was useful. This was Max from Arbitrage Hero. Thank you for watching.